Today, competition among financial institutions is becoming stronger and stronger, and in addition, the number of players within the ecosystem in which we are making our business is growing thanks to the new entrant, the digital companies that are trying to also develop a financial business. So that means the competition is really becoming very strong. So in this context, I think innovation is probably the only way to keep growing and to differentiate from your competitors. First is the way in which banks are trying to adapt and to evolve the concept of a multi-channel. Then it was the omni-channel, but today the trend is clearly something trying to merge channels, to integrate different channels and to use the technology just as a bridge from clients and employees, but not as a goal. It's just something necessary to maintain this relationship. And maybe the second trend is mobility. Mobile banking is growing very fast. Probably in the next 2-3 years, mobile will be the first and the main interaction channel for banks with their clients. And there are very interesting evolutions of the mobile concept, as for example, wearable. Wearable could be an evolution of this mobile banking revolution. And at the end of the day, with all these changes, what we'll be able is to be closer to our clients. So that means there is a chance to offer in some way ubiquity banking thanks to this new revolution. So clearly these two trends. Basically two things: originality and impact. Originality means if the idea is really a new idea, or if it's an evolution of an existing idea, or if the idea is really a disruptive one. It's not an evolution, but because sometimes some of the submissions are really disruptive proposals. The impact is something that means the degree of internal transformation thanks to this innovation, or for example the impact in the revenues or in the cost of the company, if it's in the case of an innovation related to efficiency. So that means basically these are the two things to assess a submission to decide if it's or not, if it deserves or not to be awarded. It's really difficult to choose, because most part of the submissions are good submissions, because all the banks that are submitting projects to this event are great banks or big banks, global banks in some cases. So the level and the quality of the submissions is really high. So it's it's a hard task to be done for the judges to decide which is the company which is deserves to be awarded. Yes, it's a hard task, yes. I would suggest as an advice to think about the fact of the submission is something innovative on a local basis or on a global basis, because sometimes what it happens is that some banks are submitting projects which could be innovative on a local basis, but maybe in other parts of the world are quite a standard. So what it makes really different these awards is the fact of these awards are global. So you have to keep in mind this concept. So and think that to have possibilities to be awarded, necessarily the project has to be innovative on a global basis instead of on a local basis.